Good morning students, welcome to the accountancy video classes. In this video, we are going to discuss about the valuation of the goodwill. See, in the last classes we discussed about what is a goodwill, okay, and now in this video we are going to discuss about how to calculate the goodwill of the firm. As I told already that to calculate the goodwill of the firm, we have three different methods. That is what we have: the average profit method, we have the super profit method, and we have the capitalization method. Clear? So these are the three different types of the method to calculate the goodwill. Now in this video, we are going to discuss about how to calculate the goodwill of a firm on the basis of average profit method. See, here again we have two subparts: simple average and a weighted average. Okay, now this problem is related to the simple average profit method and this problem is related to the weighted average profit method. Now what it means? What is a weighted and what is simple average method? See, in the simple average method, okay, there is a assumption that the profit of the firm will not change. See, here we have 4 lakh, 3 lakh 98,000, 4 lakh 50, 4 lakh 45 and 5 lakh. Further, there will be a not much changes in the profit of the firm. That it is an assumption. Take an example. In a 2017, the profit of the firm is what? 5 lakh rupees. In a 2018, it is not compulsory that the profit of the firm should be 5 lakh. It may be 10 lakh, it may be 20 lakh also. But here we are assuming that the profit of the firm is not changing. That is a one assumption which we are making in the simple average method. But in the weighted average method, see, here we are giving the importance for the profit of the firm. For example, I am buying your firm. You wanted to sell your firm, I am buying your firm. Okay, now your firm is making a profit. 2013, it is a 20,000 profit your firm has made. 2014, 24,000. 2015, 30,000. 2016, 25,000 and 2017, it is 18,000. But unlike here, I am not giving any importance for a particular year. Overall I am taking, but here I am giving more weight for a 2018 profit. In the sense, 50% I am giving the weightage out of these 5 profits. Just example, out of 115. See, out of these 5 years of profit, I am giving a more weight or more importance to the 2017 profit. Bit less importance to the 2016 profit. Still more less importance to the 2015 profit. So we have to give the more importance for a recent year profit, and we have to give the less importance to the oldest profit. That is what weighted average. But in a simple average, we are not giving any importance. We are collecting all the profit together. We are considering all the profit are the same. There are no changes. But here we are giving the importance. See, in this case, I am buying your firm, so I have to pay you the goodwill. Now, in your firm, I was giving a less importance for 2013 profit. At the same time, I am giving a more importance for 2017 profit. Okay, here we are giving importance, here though we are not giving any importance. Now, here total profit should be divided by the number of years, then we will get an average profit. So usual the formula is what? Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of year of purchase. That's what you have written. Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of year of purchase. Now how to calculate average profit? We already know that it is simple mathematics. Total divided by the number will become the average. Is it clear? Now let us discuss the example. There is a one problem says that the profit of the firm for 5 years they have given. It means that 2013 it is a 4 lakh, 2014 3,98,000, 2015 4,50,000, 2016 4,45,000 and 2017 it is a 5 lakh. Okay, these are all the profit. They asked us to calculate the goodwill for a 4 years. Goodwill for 4 years. So what is the formula for a goodwill? Goodwill is equal to what? Average profit into number of year of purchase. Here they have not given an average profit, they have given the profits. So now we have to do the total profit. Total profit is what? 21,93,000. So first calculate average profit. So average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. So total profit we got 21,93,000 divided by number of years are 5. So 21,93,000 divided by 5 is what? 4,38,600. It is what? 4,38,600. This is what? Average profit. Now we have to calculate the goodwill. So average profit into number of year of purchase. So 4,38,600 into 4. It is what? 17,54,400. So if I want to buy this company, so I have to pay them the goodwill of how much? 17,54,400 rupees. This is the average profit method. Simple average profit method I can say. Here we have the weighted average profit method. Here also they have given 5 years and a profit, but here we have to allot a weight. In the sense we have to give the importance. So I told recent year will be given a more importance. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 like that. If it is a 4 years, 4, 3, 2, 1. If it is 3 years, 3, 2, 1 like that. Recent years we have to give the more weight, in the sense more importance. So here year, profit, weight. Now we should take a product. Here the product means profit into weight. So 20,000 into 1 it is a 20,000, 24,000 into 2 48,000, 30,000 into 3 90,000, 25,000 into 4 1 lakh, 18,000 into 5 it is a 90,000. Total weight is 15, total product is 3,48,000. Now we should calculate weighted average profit. There average profit, what was the formula? Total profit divided by number of years. But here weighted average profit, the formula will be product divided by the total weight. What is the product here? 3,48,000. Don't divide it by with a 5, divide it by with a 15 total of the weight. So 3,48,000 divided by 15, it will become what? 23,000 will be the average profit. So what is the formula for goodwill? Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years of purchase. So 23,000, sorry, it will be 23,200. So it will be what? 23,200 into 3. So 23,200 into 3 will become what? 69,600. That is what? Goodwill of the firm. This is the simple way to calculate the goodwill by using the average profit method. It is what? Simple average profit method, and it is a weighted average profit method. So in the next class we are going to discuss about the valuation of the goodwill on the basis of the super profit method and on the basis of the capitalization method. Clear? Thank you, students.